Hello, respectable audience. Let us discuss this question 12 divided by 1 over 3 times 9. Most of the people and students do this question in this way. They cancel 3 and 9. Here they get 3 because 3 times 3 we will get 9. Now we have 12 divided by 3 means this portion is left 12 divided by 3, and after solving it they will get 4. 4 will be their answer, absolutely. But remember that all this process is incorrect. They have made a mistake to handle this question and they solved it incorrectly according to PEMDAS. So let us handle this question again and see where we have made mistake, remove that mistake and get the correct answer. We have two rules for this question, PEMDAS rule and another rule is KCF. Now what is KCF? You are familiar with it. Keep it, change it, flip it. Okay, now we have this portion only multiplication and division. Here is division, here is multiplication. We have only two operations. Remember that according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division both are same. There is no difference between multiplication and division, both are same. So if they are same, then what will we have to done? We will have to do that we have to move from left to right. It means this portion mean division is at left and this multiplication is at right, and we have to move from left to right, means we have to divide first and multiplication will be our second step. Now it's time to apply KCF. What is KCF? Keep the first one. 12 will be kept as it is. C means change. Change this operation. Division is changed into multiplication. Flip it. Flip mean take its reciprocal. Is it is 1 over 3, make it 3 over 1 or only 3 times 9 as it is. Now it is single term, so 12 times 3 it will be 36 multiplied by 9. Now multiply these two numbers, we will get 4 324 will be our correct answer. Thank you for your support.